What's up, y'all? So this is gonna be pretty much a quiet video. I see y'all like when I don't be running my big mouth and I do less talking, more eating, but I want to address something before I get into this delicious Chinese food that I have. Let's do a thumbnail. Okay, I've got some delicious Chinese food. As y'all see, it's from this place down here where I'm at. It's like got the best Chinese food. But I was seeing in my last video, the Subway video, everybody was talking about, oh, turn your as y'all can hear my the smoke detectors off. Y'all, the smoke detectors, trust me, I know it's annoying. I'm gonna get it fixed soon for y'all. It's something where maintenance have to come in and fix it because I cannot change it. It's not like a simple battery where you can go and change it. It's hooked up to the wiring within like the walls or something like that. You can't just, and it's like it triggers all of them like that. I asked, so they have to figure something out with that. But I'm gonna get it fixed soon. Okay, so I know that it might be a little aggravating. Trust me, it aggravates me. But yeah, I was laughing so bad. The guy said, it was on like one comment. He said, fix the smoke detector. Fix me please, sincerely, smoke detector, something like that, child. I know. But I'm about to eat this. This food is so good. So we got some, this is called Impress Lo Mein at this Chinese place I went to. That's the woman. And it got chicken, shrimp, steak, pork, broccoli, snow peas, cauliflower in it. This is a crab ragoon. It's like, you know, with the cream cheese and stuff in it. And here we have some shrimp and lobster sauce with mushrooms and stuff like that. So yeah, trust me, I'm gonna get it fixed. I'm gonna get it fixed, y'all. I know they was in the comments clocking me. They was clocking me in the comments, child. I was like, I wanted to see how long I could get away with it before somebody caught on to it. I said, trust me, if it was that simple, I would have had that fixed a long time ago. So if y'all want to turn y'all volume down, or if you don't want to watch the video, click out and go to another video. So, I mean, but I think I'm gonna do like a little music in the background so y'all don't have to hear it that much. I'm gonna put a little Worcester sauce on there. And I'm gonna put some of this pepper stuff on it, y'all. This is the best. I got some of this too. They duck sauce is so good. They make it homemade. And the duck sauce is sweet and sour sauce. I think it's sweet and sour, but it's so good, y'all. And I went got me a little, they have the best like pina coladas and rum. So I'm going to mix this up. And eat this. Woo. It's so good. I had to. I need to get me some more chicken at home. Chicken and meat. Y'all, how is y'all week going? How is y'all week going? It's good. And y'all look at how meaty the egg rolls are. Talk about me. Or shrimp and lobster sauce is the best. Don't worry, y'all. I'm gonna get it fixed. Yeah, snow peas. Yeah. And I tell you, look at that. They put bacon bits in the crumb one time. I never tasted no place that do the wontons like this. I'm sorry. Crab ragoon. They're the best. The place is called Chinatown. If y'all wondering. It's called Chinatown and it's down here in New Orleans. It's so good. And they always give you big portions like this. It's a little bit, it's reasonable for the big portions that they give you like this. Mm. So I got this. I know y'all wondering why I have these glasses on. You know, I've been drinking a pina colada rum. I got extra shot of rum in there. And my eyes, you can definitely tell in my eyes I've been drinking. I don't want my eyes to be looking all low and stuff. So I put the shades on. I'm hiding behind my shades today. So I got the best pina coladas. This is a treat that is well needed. Like this place, I don't eat good like this. I know. So good. hot sauce. That big old shrimp. So good. I gotta show y'all this egg roll. Y'all can believe how much meat that they put in that egg roll. They put so much meat. They stuff it with shrimp, chicken, Do they put steak in it? I think it's shrimp, chicken, and pork in the egg roll. So good. I like to dip it in the sweet and sour sauce. In the sweet and sour sauce. Can y'all see? Hold on. All that meat in. Oh, put cabbage in there. Good. That's good. That's what y'all. Go ahead, guess what? I'm gonna give you about a second to figure out the same issue I had in the last video. I forgot my napkins again.
What?
Now I'm looking crazy. It's stuck in my feet. Forgot my napkins. Get some more of this. Oh, this will last you. This serving lasts you for all day, for like 2 days. If you have it to eat with somebody else. If it's just you by yourself, this will last you for 2-3 days. If it's you and somebody else, it's gonna last y'all for all day. You and somebody else. A 2-person meal. Trying to burp, y'all. Just want to do one more. Whew. It's a lot of meat. pepperoni, y'all. Yes, this is so good. I got my little condiments and stuff off to the side of where and the meat is so tender. So tender. That was a corn. That's some good stuff. I'm so corny. A little bit of oh no. But this I ain't gonna put too much in it. This spoon, I should have got a spoon. This fork. Oh, where's my last spoon? Happy day. I'm so excited when I get some good food. All this stuff is good on here too. I should have poured some butter on. Try to burp. Oh, that thing making me want to rip that shit out the damn wall. Feel like how y'all be feeling. I'm gonna do another video until I get that fixed. I'm about to finish this egg roll for y'all. This egg roll is good. Woo. That was a good one. I need some more room. Whew. I'm getting full, y'all. Boom. How my daughter be saying? Busting. She said, Mommy, I don't say that right. These new kids lingo don't fit me, child. I come from the 90s, that's early 2000s. That's when I went to high school. In the early 2000s. What is the new kids called? Gen Z, Gen X? I'm a millennial. Mm-hmm. All right. All right, y'all. That's it. That's all. Ooh, this was a short one. Thanks for watching. Quelle Gang, Quelle Squad, whatever y'all want to call yourselves. Y'all are for me. And I love y'all. Peace. Make sure y'all like, subscribe this video. Make sure you turn on the notification bell. Click all. If you're rocking with your girls, you get all notifications whenever I post and upload.